Hi guys. Ako bibidyo. Landscape lang. Di ba kita ma? Sakay lang.
Musip ya.
Hi everyone! Come!
No first need a lure. Serve as the real food or the real prey, as this first birds play game.
Gaging.
Are you guys?
Ano natin siya? Oo, babidyo na ni Arin. Grabe. Mama, ayoko na. Parang...
So the running guides, they have white plumage for the center. Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania, and Southeast. But it's the eagle game. And Marina. Our priorities, wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, providing with safe habitats, and most especially to educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we present here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, my name is EJ. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the wire.
Everyone! Mama! Ang birthday boy ay. Hoy, sapatos. Pilit ako pero wala man si.
Kami na to, tayo. Food.
Pagiraslom ha.
Ano ba ni ba? Pagkat
Anong kita na dyan? Ay! Destination ang show.
It's called the Blue Wildebeest. The Blue Wildebeest got its name because it's considered as the clan of Savannah because they do these unusual dances just to attract females. And if you're familiar also with the movie Lion King, that one right there is responsible of the death of Mufasa during the stampede scene. Now this one right here with a long horse, that is called the Jasbach or Oryx Gazelle. Now on right side, that one right there with a short horn, that is called an eland. Now eland is one of the largest antelopes in the world. They can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. They also produce milk which is 3 times more nutritious than the cow's milk and 2 times the protein. So also the people by size because that animal can jump up to 10 feet while in a standing position. On your left side, that one right there is called the waterback. Now waterback has rough coat and long shaggy hair. They're also strongly associated with water, that they use water to evade predators. Now as these animals gets older, the more stinkier they become. Impala is known as the great runners and jumpers of savannah.
Asa man sa sunod, guys? Hoy, tubag mo ba?
Pintor man, ang crocodile ka na ba?
Crocodile.
Right, lagi mo.
Day, ang crocodile.
turtle.
Crocodile o
Crocodile.
crocodile.
Look, baby.
Yeah, that's crocodile. You want to go there?
Now.
Down ka, uy. Kay mo man na friends. Asado. Ganahan, gi ka mo duwa, ana. Hi, Abi. Hi. Lugagi. Okay. Hello. Throw. One, two, three. Yeah! Yeah! Cute.
Anong mana, ilo mana among lalay mana. Nakapaak na among lalay.
Murag parcel na ako ba? Nga na, siguro ka mo dagan ng truck sa parcel na ko sa. Play naman na. Video ni. Turtle guys.
Islam, Bayan, Aaron, Makini, and Abby, and Jerome, and Jackie, and Shirley, and Manny, and Luli.
Hoy Lola, kumusta man atong biyahe? Happy! Yay!
We'll go down now.
White African lion. Ano African pero naka sa Cebu? Doon natubo na gina. Jake, penguin, Jake! So, guys, ipasod mi sa among prisuhan kay nakasala man si Shirley. Na kayo? Ready! Duwa gani akong gipukaw.
And that's their adult size already.
9 years old.
And also, we don't have female lions here to avoid the aggressive fights among the male lions. And as you can see, some of the trees have scratches. That's their way of marking their territories by urinating or leaving scratches on the trees. Hectares for the lions only lang po. So, in total, we have here 5 white lions.
Hi!
Abi na ko ang camel, iluto rong mader. Ano, kita na dyan ko.
Hello, uy! Hala, ostrich!
Oh, sa Kisha. Kisha. It's a plane. There's a lot of birds. They call this
Doon sa na, dong! Doon sa na, dong!
Binturong.
Binturo? Binturo? We're going home now.
But we did not see the capybara.